Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In today's video, we will explain the input and output labels of the EPS cutting line. All the motors, sensors, cylinders, fans, emergency stop switches, etc. have corresponding input and output labels. On the one hand, these labels can help our customers to assemble preliminarily. On the other hand, when customers need to after-sale service, can tell us the corresponding number directly, and we can quickly find the corresponding product. This will greatly save communication costs. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.